Hello everyone, I am Karen. Welcome to my channel. Recently, I still received messages from subscribers asking me how to make the beaded needle. Actually, I introduced once in my previous video, but it's okay, I'll do it again today, and it's super easy. I believe that a lot of you often see me making elastic cords bracelets with this needle and the elastic cords. Some people ask me what it's called. I can only say that we just call it a needle. It's made with 0.3 mm steel wire. About the length, it's really up to your needs. Generally, I like to use about 3 inches. We cut a piece about 6 inches. Okay, and then use a plier with tooth, clamp, and done. Easy and fast, right? So if you want to get the needles or other DIY tools like wrist gauge or elastic cords, go to DIYnotion.com. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.